Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Padel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletters, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any questions, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 Social Science Civics chapter 2 Understanding Secularism. Let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is, list different types of religious practices that you find in our neighborhood. This could be different forms of prayers, worship of different gods, side, different kinds of religious musics and singing, etc. Does this indicate freedom of religious practice? So let's solve it. The different types of religious practices that we can see in our neighborhood are as follow. A Sikh person worships in Gurudwara to Guru Nanak using Guru Granth Sahib. A Muslim worships in a mosque and their sacred book is the Quran. The Christians worship Jesus Christ in the church and their religious book is the Holy Bible. A Hindu worships in a temple to the idols of gods and goddesses. This shows that the people in India have the freedom to practice the religions of their choice and yet to live together in a peace and harmony. Second question, will the government intervene if some religious group says that their religion allows them to practice infanticides? Give reason for your answer. Yes, the government can intervene if some religious group says that the religion allows them to practice infanticide. This is because the Indian Constitution clearly states that the government has the right to intervene if there is a threat to social harmony. Also, killing an infant is a crime and the judiciary is the only authority that can punish a person to death, and no other religion or person can commit the crime of killing someone. Third question, complete the following table. The objectives are given. We have to write why it is important. Example, we have to write. So, one religion community does not dominate another. It is important because the Constitution gives the right to religious freedom and to all, and if it is not provided, there may be chances of right and a disturbance of harmony in the country. For example, stopping the people of a particular religion to celebrate their festival. Next, the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. It is important so that every individual in a country has the right to follow the religion of their choice. This is what makes a nation a secular country. Example, India is a country where people from different caste and religion resides. Third, that some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. Why it is important? Religion cannot be divided on the basis of wealth or greed. Hence, it is important that no member dominates other member from the same religion. Following the religion is the right of every individual. For example, distinguishing between upper class and lower class. Next question, look up the annual calendar of holidays of your school. How many of them pertain to different religions? What does this indicate? The annual calendar of our school marks holidays like Eid, which is celebrated by Muslims, Diwali, which is a Hindu festival, Christmas, which is celebrated by Christians, and Guru Nanak Jayanti, which is a Sikh festival. This proves that India is a secular country and every individual has the right to religious freedom. Next, find out some examples of different views within the same religion. Some examples of different views within the same religion are as follows. Hindu worship different idols of gods and goddesses. Muslims are different into Shia and Sunni. Follow of Lord Mahavir are called Jain. Buddhist followers are divided into Mahayana and Heian. Next question. The Indian state both keeps away from religion as well as intervene in religion. This idea can be quite confusing. Discuss this once again in class using examples from the chapter as well as those that you might have come up with. The Indian state both keeps away from religious as well as intervenes in religion. If a person with the majority religious group gets the state power, he may use the power to discriminate and persecute the people of other religion. The majority may even deprive minority of practicing their religion. For example, untouchability still exists in Hindu community. If the state power is handed over to the person belonging to upper caste Hindu majority, he may use it as a weapon against the lower class people of a society or that state. So this was chapter 2 of NCERT solution for class 8 civics. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also send me a mail. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.